How to get pets in Among Us. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get pets in Among Us and customize your crewmates with these adorable companions. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, launch the Among Us game on your device and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you are inside the game, from the main menu, you can simply tap on the shop option. And here you will see different categories like hats, skins, pets, and bundles. Select the Pets tab to browse the available pets. And in this section, you will see a variety of pets such as Holiday Hammy, the Nog, and Brand. And some pets may be part of a bundle while others are available for individual purchase. Now, to get a pet, you need a stars or a real money depending on the purchase option. Select the pet you want and tap the buy button and complete the purchase using your preferred payment method. And once you have purchased a pet, you can go back to the customization menu in the lobby and select the pets tab and choose your newly unlocked pet, and it will now follow you around the game. And that's it. Now you know how to get pets in Among Us and make your crewmate even more unique. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.